Yep. Hello, guys. How are you? And how is your day? How is your weekend? It's another wonderful day here, and I wouldn't just like to tell you my location because I'm boiling now, and I just wish to share one or two experience that just happened lately in my life. It's very, very boiling now. My body is hot. I just want to tell you, all my viewers, I don't know, maybe some people might have the same experience before, but it just happened to me, and I just wish that all my viewers need to know about this. And luckily for me, my wonderful daughter is here, and we just decided to put this on the camera to make sure that my viewers, maybe there may be one or two people there that can learn from my experience. It's a very bad one, but let's just accept. I have already accepted it the way it is, but I just wish to let you know so that you too, you can have one or two things to learn. Please don't hesitate to share, and you just support your guys, and wonderful Patoli, the way it is. I will always give you some wonderful content. So without further ado, let's just get into it.
Before we get into it, I just need to advertise myself. I can't just appear here for free. But anyway, my name is Lola AO. I'm in YouTube as well. So we'll link it down below. Go check out my channel. It's free of charge. Subscribe. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the video.
No, I just want to tell you about how everything goes. It's about a brother of mine, or uncle, or should I just say uncle?
Yeah.
Because we are not born by the same father, the same mother. So it's just it's a family member, it's an uncle. So it's somebody that I've been helping out for quite a very long time, you know.
How did you help him?
I help him sometime in Lagos. He's a welder. And sometime when I travel down from Germany in those days, I will find out that in his office there is no even light.
Oh, so it's like kind of light, in a difficult situation.
Yes, so in a difficult situation, so I will be the one to pay, just to help him out. And it even got to a time that they drove him out of the house with the family. I am the one that rented the house for him.
Wow.
I rented the house, and after the house, that one, the issue of the house itself is a disaster, because if I have to go to it, maybe I will not be able to finish the video in a short while.
Okay.
So anyway, I rented out for this my brother.
Yeah. And
later, after the expiration of the tenancy of the house, he couldn't continue paying. Yeah. So that problem, I just look at the problem, and it got to some time he didn't even have anything in the house.
Oh, so you wanted to help him.
I just want to help him, just to do everything to make sure that
I know it feels bad if you know that you can help somebody and you're not helping them. It's
So I just try everything to help him out. So I bought the mattresses, I bought the sound system and everything, all the gadgets in the house, all the furniture, everything, just to help him out.
Yeah, because if God bless you, you bless him.
But what happened?
Yeah.
A brother of his, that is his sibling, chased him out, because it's not the person that owned that room. It's a brother of his that owned the room where I took all those things to. So he came to tell me again that this brother, he chased him out, that he didn't have a place to go.
Yeah.
I still have to look for some money to rent another house for him. So I rented another house for him.
You were like his sponsor?
Yes. That house, after the expiration again, he couldn't pay. So I just look at it and what is it that I can do for this guy? And luckily for us, we have a house that we just bought. Yeah. It's just a 3-bedroom bungalow with some extra. So if you look at the room in the house, really, plus some extra, it's like almost 5 rooms in the house that we just bought.
Oh, do you have pictures of the house?
Bungalow. Yes, I have the picture of the house, but I have to look for it for you to. I don't even remember where it is now, but I have the picture of the house.
If we find it, we might put it here.
Yes, you just attach it to a video, because I really want my viewers to understand what is happening.
Where you're coming from.
So that maybe anybody that is around watching this video will understand, and you will never make such a mistake again. Family member, then be fire, or make you not try them. No, put your hand in hot water.
But the amount of
I
stories,
want you, make you not say I don't want you.
The amount of stories I've heard of Nigerians and housing and all this, family member is outrageous. So
now I just decide that now I don't have any money anymore. Since I have this house, my brother should just go there, to stay calm, prepare himself, then to be able to gather some money,
Yeah.
and after gathering some money, and at the same time, you will be using the house to rent. You will be like a landlord,
Yeah.
and at the same time being like the agent.
Yeah.
So collecting money for me and be helping me to put the money in my bank account and all that.
So you basically kind of gave him a job.
Gave him a job, and
You
at
know?
the same time gave him an accommodation in the house.
Yeah, that's very good.
So I leave one side for him so that I won't be helping him out, paying all his rent at all time. And this year now is 12 years that is my brother has been living in that house.
Wow.
So at some point,
normally I would have expected that if you are giving me accommodation and also a job, and I'm receiving some kind of profit from it, I would have expected that the person would have at least gotten a way with like paying his own house and stuff, maybe by 1 year or something like that. I don't know how it works. So
yes, but the problem we are having here is the sense of entitlement.
Okay.
Immediately they are there, they forgot the reason why they are there, and they forget that you are helping them out. So they believe that it's a privilege.
Yeah.
That this thing you are giving them is
they
deserve it. So it's not as if you are even giving them. It is because by fire by force you have to give them because you are a member of the family. It's just like you are father and they are your child.
That is such a dilemma though.
So they just want to,
Yeah, because me, I do understand, okay, they're family members. So, because they're family, family don't owe each other in that sense, But at the same time, I wouldn't like to, be living in my brother's, my little brother's house and stuff like that. I just don't feel, it's not right in my spirit.
They enjoy it. They enjoy it. Anyway, what happened, I'm even not bothered about that.
Yes.
It's only that now, what make me to be putting this out now, it is because they took everything to another level. And took it to another level because it is only in the Nollywood movies that I used to see all this stuff happening.
Yeah.
No, in my wildest dream, nobody will ever tell me that this will ever happen to me.
But what happened? God, yeah, the mistake is too much,
yes. So what really actually happened is that when it's almost 8 years that my brother has been living in this house, it did not remit any money into my account. The only money I got in the 8 years time that he's been living there is only 22,000.
Wait a minute, so this person, okay, your brother, he was working for you in order to receive all the rent from all people that were living, that were living there.
Yes.
And how many people were living there?
It's supposed to be 2 tenants.
Okay. So
one will be using room and parlor, and the other one will be using another two bedroom by the side. And he is using a room and a parlor because the house is big. Yeah. So it's supposed to be a 3-bedroom, but he has library, all this house, the way they build it, all those additions. So we convert that one to a living space so that people can be renting it.
Wow. So you didn't receive one kobo?
I received only 22,000 in the cost of 20.
That's naira.
Naira.
How much is that in pounds?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe
that
is not even more than. Maybe it will be like 40 or 50. It's not up to 50 pounds.
That's sad. So all the effort, people are living in your property and you receive what, 20 pounds. That's
50 pounds. I fought. To get the 50 pounds.
That is sad.
Now the problem is, after some time, this my brother just told me. He called me one day. I was even quarreling with him because he didn't used to call me anymore.
Oh.
He doesn't used to call me anymore. It's like a taboo for him to call me.
Bad.
And I was worried. And sometimes I will call him, he won't pick. So for whatever reason, whenever he called me, I say, I've been trying your number for more than 3 months.
You just give you some excuse.
They will just give me some excuse so that I will leave him alone.
That's bad.
So it just happened that way. So I just let it go. But since then, I said the best thing I could do is to get rid of this, my brother.
Yeah.
So then I started planning to get rid of him. So I went to Nigeria sometime. Then I took my agent because I have another house and I have an agent that is taking care of that house. Now I said, okay, I want you to take over this house, I want my brother to stop collecting the rent of this house so that you can be collecting it and remitting the money, and as well, if I see anybody that is going to buy the house, that I'm ready to sell. Okay. So
you started seeing profit by then.
Which
no, because your agent is now in charge.
My agent say, but the thing is that my agent is living in where my house is, my new house is now.
Yeah.
is living within inside Lagos, because this house in question is in Lagos, but is in an area very close to Ogun State.
Okay.
So because this my agent is living a little bit far to where the house is, so what my agent did is that he put a banner in the front of the house, the banner that carries the telephone number and you know, the contact number. So anybody that is willing to buy,
she just call that number.
And if you're willing to rent, you call as well.
Okay.
So what happened? Immediately we left, my brother took the banner and just took it in the bin and threw it in the bin.
That's funny. I'm sorry.
You are
audacity. The audacity. No.
He took it and threw it away.
No, because see, if you are from the UK or any European country, we're not talking about Africa now. But if you see the stick and it says for sale, you wouldn't just pick the stick and cut it and throw it in the bin. And
just throw it in the bin.
The council will come for you. That's number one. So I don't get how you will just throw it like that. I'm very sorry. It's not his property. It's not good.
He has already made it his property, because he at that point,
he lived there for 12 years.
I knew that he declared war, because the agent has somebody in that area that sometimes we call the person that, please go to so place and look for this banner and see if there's anything, So there are, and he connected that guy with some potential people, customers in that area that are interested in the house. So one day, some of them wanted to call that agent, so they went to the house because they saw the banner the day we put the banner there. So they went and they couldn't find any banner. So then they went inside and knocked the door. And they asked this, my brother, what is happening? That there is a banner there. Can you give us the number of the agent? He said, nobody wants you here because we are no longer interested in selling this house.
That's bad.
Yes. He told them that they are no longer interested in selling the house.
This is what we call parasite. Because parasite, they just want to live off somebody like that. That's bad. I'm sorry. Because it's not the owner, but he's acting like he's the owner. And the thing is that people around him, like the surrounding area, because he lived there for 12 years, it seems as if the house is his.
It's his.
So even if he's talking, people are going to be living because he's been living there for a long time. Nobody has seen your face, basically.
My brother, my guys, I know you want me to finish DJs as quick as possible so that you can enjoy it, but no crumbs. You can just wait till next week. By the time we do the part 2, just subscribe and press the like button. By next week, you watch the part 2 and you see the concluding part of the content. Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel.